In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an SMS with Twilio in Glide. First of all, make sure your Twilio account is fully set up and that you have at least one active phone number in your account. Once you have confirmed that, the next step is to integrate Twilio with your Glide app. Once you're inside the app, click on the Settings option located at the upper side of your screen. From the options that appear, click on Integrations, which will take you into the Integration section of your Glide app. On the right-hand side, you will see a search box. Type in Twilio, and you will see it appear. Simply click on it and then click the option Add to App. After selecting this, Glide will ask you to enter some information in order to connect your Twilio account. These required fields include your account's ID, your auth token, and your sender number. To find these details, go into your Twilio account and open your account dashboard. As you scroll down this page, you will be able to see all three of these pieces of information under Account Info. Copy each piece of information from Twilio and paste it into Glide one by one. Once all information is correctly entered, the integration will be completed. Now, there can be any situation in your app in which you want an SMS to be sent. In my case, I want an SMS to be sent automatically when someone submits a form. To perform this action anywhere in your Glide app, go into the section from where you want Twilio to send the message. In my example, I am inside the contact form section. Once you are here, scroll down on the right-hand side menu until you find the action section. Click on the action box and in the drop-down menu, search for Twilio. Once you do that, you will see the actions available, which include sending an SMS message or sending a WhatsApp message. Select the one you want. Now you will see two fields you need to fill. The first one is the recipient field, where you must select the field that contains the phone number of the person who should receive the SMS. In my case, this is the phone number field from the form the user fills out. In the message box, type in the actual message you want Twilio to send. You can also insert dynamic fields inside the message, such as the person's name or the subject, so the SMS becomes more personalized. Once you complete these two fields, the setup will be ready, and an SMS will be sent automatically whenever the chosen trigger happens. Remember that during Twilio's free trial, you cannot send SMS messages to random unverified phone numbers, so make sure you have a paid plan if you want this process to run smoothly. And this is how you can send an SMS with Twilio in Glide.